Have you ever wondered who really has the upper hand in the battle between hackers and cybersecurity experts? Welcome to the Cyber Security Showdown, where hackers and protectors go head-to-head in a never-ending battle for digital supremacy. The stakes are high, the tension is palpable, and the outcome is far from certain. Who will come out on top in this high-stakes game of cat and mouse? Cyber attacks are on the rise, and their frequency and sophistication are increasing at an alarming rate. Last year, we saw a staggering 31% increase in cyber attacks, with even the largest and most secure organizations falling victim to these crimes. The financial losses are staggering, with estimates suggesting that cybercrime will cost the global economy over $6 trillion by 2021. But it's not just about the money. Cyber attacks can have devastating consequences for individuals, businesses, and even national security. The challenges faced by organizations and individuals are multifaceted. Not only do they need to stay one step ahead of the hackers, but they also need to contend with the ever-evolving nature of cyber threats. From malware and viruses to phishing and ransomware, the methods used by hackers are becoming increasingly complex and difficult to detect. And to make matters worse, the Internet of Things has created a vast array of new vulnerabilities that can be exploited by malicious actors. As we speak, hackers are working tirelessly to find new ways to breach our defenses and get their hands on our sensitive data. They're using social engineering tactics to trick us into divulging our passwords, and they're exploiting vulnerabilities in our software and hardware to gain unauthorized access to our systems. It's a cat and mouse game where the hackers are constantly adapting and evolving, and the protectors must do the same if they hope to stay ahead. But the protectors are not just sitting idly by. They're fighting back with a range of innovative solutions, from artificial intelligence and machine learning to threat intelligence and incident response. They're working around the clock to identify vulnerabilities, develop new security protocols, and educate users about the dangers of cybercrime. Hackers employ a range of tactics to gain access to our systems, from phishing and spear phishing to malware and ransomware. They'll use social engineering to trick us into clicking on malicious links or downloading infected files. But the protectors are fighting back with advanced security measures, such as two-factor authentication and encryption. They're using threat intelligence to identify and block suspicious traffic, and they're implementing incident response plans to minimize the damage in the event of a breach. One of the most devastating types of cyber attack is ransomware, which involves hackers encrypting a victim's files and demanding a ransom in exchange for the decryption key. It's a tactic that's been used to devastating effect in recent years, with even the largest and most secure organizations falling victim to these attacks. But the protectors are fighting back with innovative solutions, such as advanced threat detection and response systems. Take, for example, the case of the WannaCry attack, which infected over 200,000 computers in over 150 countries. The attack was devastating, with estimates suggesting that it caused over $4 billion in damages. But it also highlighted the importance of robust cybersecurity measures, such as patching and updating software, and implementing robust backup and disaster recovery systems. In another recent high-profile case, a major corporation fell victim to a sophisticated phishing attack that compromised the sensitive data of millions of customers. But thanks to the quick thinking and rapid response of the cybersecurity team, the damage was minimized, and the corporation was able to contain the breach and prevent further data loss. The stakes are high, and the battle between hackers and cybersecurity experts is far from over. But one thing is clear. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Whether you're an individual or an organization, you need to take proactive steps to protect yourself from the ever-present threats of cybercrime. So, who do you think is winning this cybersecurity battle? Do you think the hackers have the upper hand, or are the protectors fighting back effectively? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to check out our other videos on cybersecurity and related topics.